Hey everyone. So I picked up some great little canvases at Hobby Lobby. This is a Hexagon, and today I'm just going to do a dirty pour on it and see what we get. I was pulling colors, but I also want to pull a copper in there. So I have Artist Loft Naples Yellow. This is Premier Purple Red. Color Shift Violet Flash from Folk Art. Lucas Premier or Permanent Violet. Grumbacher Prussian Blue. Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. Folk Art Blue Flash. And Creative Inspirations Copper. And of course I'll be using black and white along with that. So I'm going to need 2 regular size cups, but what I want to do is 3 smaller cups so that I can control the color a little bit better. So I will spray those with the WD-40 silicone spray just to release the paint. I don't use it to create cells, but you can. If you spray a little bit more in there, you'll get some cells. Okay, so I'm going to start with black. And you know, guys, I don't like to do that, so I'm going to move it. You can do it, doesn't matter. I just don't like to put any tension on the canvas. I'm going to go follow that with, I think I'll follow it with the blue flash. I think I'm going to go the opposite way. So this will pull some purple on the black. And then we'll follow that with cerulean blue. Looks like it might be plugged. This is an older paint, so I want to use things up because we'll be switching mostly to Soho here shortly. And we can always come back and add more. And then we're going to follow it with the Grumbacher Prussian Blue. And here's where I'm going to throw the copper in. And a tiny bit of white. And we'll go with the Permanent Violet from Lucas. And the Blue Violet Flash from Folk Art. The Purple Red from Premier. And the Naples Yellow. And I'm going to do a little bit more. Maybe just the blues and up to the purple. I'm just encasing the lighter colors. Very stubborn bottle. And these are the Wilton bottles, so you might want to cut your hole a little bit bigger. The bottles that I normally use here are called Winco, and you can get them in my Amazon shop. They're 12-ounce bottles. A little bit of white. And I'll end it with the purple red. I don't want to start with yellow, so I'll end it here. I am going to give it just a swirl. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on that bell and you'll get notified when I upload my next video. It's been a crazy week, and I miss Nate already. So Nate, if you're watching, you are missed. He sure kept me on my toes while he was here. He's a great guy. He's a wonderful artist. Very talented. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let me move these over and bring our canvas back. So we're coming up on our 50,000 subscribers. I'll be doing a video this week on the prizes, and I'll upload the video and you will see how to enter. Okay, let's go a little crazy. I wanted a lot of color on here. Because it's such a cool canvas. Okay. All right, let me give it a quick torch. There's plenty of paint for us to play with here. So there's more than one corner on these, so it takes a little more work to get those edges. But like I said, it's a fun canvas to play with. But still, you want to bring your paint back to the middle before you tip. I'm hearing a lot of weird noises outside today. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's outer spacious, huh? Let me go ahead and wipe my hands off. And let's give it a torch. So we started our Facebook group. It's called the Garage Posse, because I pour in my garage, aka Garage Pouring Studio. So we call it the Pourage. And you can join our group if you're subscribed to my channel. We get into some nice discussions. You can post pictures of your work. You can also find work that you may want to purchase. We are going to have a section on that. I have to talk with my moderators yet. And we have a fan mail box. where you can send us gadgets or letters or cards or all kinds of things that you want to do. Also, we are taking donations for our channel. The PayPal link is below for that. All the links are below for everything that is involved with the channel. We are still an affiliate with Stone Coat Art Coat Resin. So if you haven't ordered that yet, get the best resin you can get and get $30 off your order at checkout. Use the code CWA, all in caps, at checkout, and you will get $30 off an $80 order. We will be bringing some more resin to our channel. Nate helped me get a lot of things prepped for that while he was here, so hopefully I can get to that very soon, and you'll be able to see how you can use your acrylic paints in with the resin and not have to buy all the pastes and such. And here she is up close. It's pretty cool. I'm kind of digging it. I love this little puddle of yellow in there. It's really cool. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.